Here are the 7 ways I make money as a creator, all from a single page. For the longest time, I thought I needed a huge following before I could actually make money as a creator and pay for multiple tools to monetize my content. But Page has replaced 4 apps in my business: Calendly, Gumroad, Shopify, and MailChimp, all with one link. And today I'm breaking down the exact 7 ways I make money as a creator, all running through one page. If you've been posting for months and still don't have a real income system behind it, this video is going to fix that. Before we get into it, some quick context. I've been freelancing and building content businesses since I was 17, so I pretty much tried basically every monetization stack out there. Linktrees, 5 different booking tools, a Shopify store I forgot existed. So what I am sharing today isn't just theory, it's what's actually running in my business right now, all organized in one place. To get started, sign up to Page. Page is a link in bio platform that combines email capture, payments, booking, and product sales into a single page creators can manage from their phone. Every income stream I'm about to show you lives on the same page, which means they all feed into each other. Let's get into the 7 ways. Number 1, you have to build your audience by collecting mail. Before you start selling anything, you need an audience that is actually yours and you can easily reach out to anytime. Every time you have offers, this is the list you will reach out to. However, most tools are pretty expensive, and that's why if you have ever wondered how do I collect emails from my link in bio without adding another tool, Page lets you add an email sign up block right on your page, so anyone who visits can join your list without you needing a separate tool, because algorithms can change overnight, and an email list is one of the few assets that actually stays yours and you can directly sell products, workshops, and consultations. Number 2, you can sell workshops. Once you have people paying attention to your content, the fastest way to monetize that attention is teaching them something live. In 2026, the hottest topics are health and fitness, online income and business, and AI tools and automations. So if you want to maximize your revenue potential, pick these niches. And it's super simple. Page lets you build a workshop landing page, collect payments, and share it through one link across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I post the same link everywhere and I don't have to think about which platform someone's coming from. My last workshop brought in 3 lakhs from a single landing page in one weekend. No ad spend, just the link in my bio for about a week. Number 3, brand deals. The question I get the most from creators chasing their first sponsorship is, how do brands actually find and vet you before they reach out? Well, you make a media kit page with all your rates, past collaborations, audience stats, plus an inquiry form, so a brand can pitch you or you can pitch them without a single PDF attachment and link it on your page. I was able to close deals with Gamma, Meta, Hitspeed, and all of them mentioned that they valued that I had everything laid out in one single organized place instead of them having to chase me down for every single details over email. Number 4, coaching and consulting. I charge about $100 per hour for consulting people in marketing, and I have consulted some really big names like Sharon Hegde, Dr. Pal Manikam, Aditi Mishra, and many other businesses and individuals who need help with their marketing. So if you're already getting asked questions and you are wondering how you sell through your Instagram bio, consulting is the easiest thing to start. You can start with $20 an hour and move up as you get more calls and booking. Page gives you a dedicated booking page with a payment link so clients can book and pay in one single step right from your bio. Now, if that doesn't sound like your cup of tea, there's way number 5, which is selling high ticket services. If you offer anything like social media management, design, marketing, copywriting, or consulting, this is where the bigger contracts live. I handle end-to-end marketing for clients and they pay me about $2,000 per month on average. So if you're ready to get started with this, Page lets you build a service page with your portfolio, testimonials, and an inquiry form, all linked from your bio. So instead of someone messaging you, what do you do? Then you disappear, answers that, shows proof, and gives them a clear next step. Number 6, so many creators swear by digital products. My carousels have been going viral and I decided that I'm going to sell them as templates as $9, and so many other creators do the same for templates, Notion packs, ebooks, prompt libraries, mini courses. This is the most scalable income stream on this list because you build this once and it keeps selling while you sleep. But I do suggest that it's a bit hard for beginners to understand what will sell in the market in masses. But if you're able to figure this out, Page lets you showcase and sell digital products. If you've got more than one product, you're not stuck picking which one to promote. They all live in one organized spot. Number 7, and this one is a little hard, physical products. I tried this for a little bit and this is basically merch, books, stationery, and anything physical with your brand name on it. This one can really intimidate people because they feel like they need to have a full-fledged online store to start, but you don't. Page lets you showcase and sell physical products directly from your page without needing a separate Shopify store. You can launch one product, test if people actually want it, and decide from there whether it's worth building out further. Lastly, don't forget to run email campaigns, because this is where you keep reusing your mail list. You use email to announce new product launches, new offers, keep your audience in the loop on what's coming and what they can purchase from you for maximum monetization. So if you've been wondering how do I turn these one-time buyers into repeat customers, Page includes built-in email campaigns so you can follow up with buyers, retarget abandoned carts, and announce new products without a separate email tool. Same page, same list, no extra subscriptions at all. So that's the full system. Collect the audience, sell into 7 different type of ways, and keep circling back through email, because this is the one single platform where you own the audience, and nothing you build will be a one-time hit. Page is the one page creators use to build their audience, sell everything they offer, and stay in touch with buyers, all from a single link. That's why 4 tools have been consolidated into it, not because a brand told me to say that, but because I was tired of logging into multiple dashboards to run one single business. So if you want to try it out for yourself, the link is in my description, and if this helped, let me know in the comments which of these 7 you are starting with today. I read every single one, so I'll see you in the next video.